Hi everyone, this is Dave, and what I've got here is the Speedlink Parthica Core Gaming Keyboard. This offers up a really nice gaming experience with a well laid out keyboard and good feeling key feedback. We've also got backlighting to this, and if I run through some of the main features, you'll really get a good idea of what this has to offer at a very good price point. So it's Windows XP, Vista 7 and 8 compatible. We've got 3 colours of backlighting. We've also got macro software, and it supports up to 5 profiles. And those macro profiles are actually accessible via these keys on the left hand side of the keyboard. We've also got an anti-ghosting function and a total of 10 multimedia keys. Now on the top left hand side of the keyboard, we've got some of the multimedia keys here, including a quick search function and a quick shortcut to your mail application. And on the right hand side of the keyboard at the top here, we've got the main multimedia keys, so play, pause, stop, volume up and down and mute. Back to the main specifications, this is a rubber coated keyboard. Now the keys aren't rubber coated, but everything that surrounds them is, including this really nice integrated wrist rest. Very, very comfortable to use for prolonged periods of time. It's a full size layout and it's all topped off with a 1.8 metre corded cable. It's a USB connection and the cable is actually braided, so very, very nice quality. Now through the driver software, we've got the ultimate control over the whole keyboard. In addition to those 5 macro buttons I've already told you about and the 10 multimedia buttons, we've got 93 configurable keys and 15 freely programmable buttons. And really nice ergonomics. This is a very, very comfortable keyboard to use. Regarding the actual feel of the keys, they've got a nice positive feel to them, nicely spaced as well, and just a very, very comfortable use. Thanks to this nice angle on the wrist rest, that really does improve the overall ergonomics of the Speedlink Parthica. So if you're looking for a really good option for gaming, and this is really designed for gaming, it's got some nice design flares as well, then this is well worth checking out, because not only does it give you this full feature set, but the pricing is very competitive. This is the Speedlink Parthica Core Gaming Keyboard. Please do check out the links in the video description. If you've enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you all in another video very soon.